2,000 horsepower motor. Or cubic inch, 750.
Cubic inch 253.
Yeah, it's got a roller 360 lift cam. Yeah, we have 360.
Is this a stolen motor?
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's hot. Yeah, we're hoping to break 13s in a quarter mile. Yeah, no, this thing will go.
15.
We're still gonna add a body to it. That's why you see is where it's gonna go. No, we're having
So you've got a fiberglass body.
we're having to put low mile wheels on it. They keep it as is. The weight's got to be down, mate. The weight. See, this is a plate pressure. Yeah, Matt Tonks just turned up. The old crazy. He's our engine builder. Yeah, he's an engine builder.
Good on you, mate.
Yeah, he's an Aussie. No, he's from Aussie. That's stupid, man.
So now
right now I'm talking about the water because if I don't do it, the motor will heat up, which I don't give a anyway. It's only cheap. It's only a cheap motor. You know? Besides, I never heard it before.
Daniel, get a picture of the prehistoric carburettor.
You should have been L before, mate. Look at Matt, get that there. Stay here. He's
This must be the last time you'll see these three.
on the gauge. On the gauge. No fuel, no fuel.
Ozone layer.
That's it. I fucking sleep a bit. You should be video cammering this. This is a problem. Don't video camera this, mate. This is part.
I can't get it right up to full shot.
Hey, thread tape. Get thread tape for your lines now. You might not even need this there now. Understand?
What?
This rag. You won't need the rag there now, maybe.
No, I won't. Yeah, don't do this.
Right? Go.